Hey everyone, I'm Nurse. Is your sewing machine too fast? Worry not. Keep on watching to learn how you can slow it down with just the foot pedal. Unlike computerized machines, which usually have a built-in speed control, mechanical sewing machines don't come with that feature. Only way to control speed is through the foot pedal, and even that can be way too fast, especially for beginners. Okay, so here's what you will need. A flathead screwdriver, a small flathead screwdriver, a narrow flat object, something like a nail file. Step 1. Remove the presser foot and the needle using the small screwdriver. This is just to prevent any accidents. Step 2. Test the foot pedal to get a sense of the current speed. This will help us compare the difference later. Step 3. We are going to open the foot pedal. There are two hinges on either side of the top cover. Using the large flathead screwdriver, we will gently pry it open. This might take a little while, so be patient. Step 4. Inside, we will see this plastic piece. This is called the lever, which we press with our foot to start sewing. And this little part here is the important one. It's called a potentiometer, and this is what controls the speed. Now use the narrow object to turn the potentiometer, either to the left or the right. Then press the lever to see if the speed has changed. In my case, I had to turn it to the right to slow it down. So I made small adjustments, tested each time, and stopped when I was happy with the speed. Then once we have found the right speed, we'll just snap the cover back on. And that's it. We have successfully reduced the speed of our sewing machine. So, if you have learned something new, don't forget to like the video and share it with someone who's new to sewing. And please subscribe to support this channel. Thank you so much for watching. See you in the next video. Happy sewing!